Mike Lee.
Okay, go ahead.
Mike Lee, going down the waterfall at Brian Head.
Yeah. No. Okay, I think the best way. Yeah, stand right there. Best way, you're gonna come around, hit this line right here. Make sure the front tire hit the narrow section.
There, you got it.
And pretend like it's flat. Okay.
Oh, piece of cake. Piece of cake. You got it, Mike.
Huh?
You got it. Piece of cake. Mike Lee, folks. Here we go. Yeah, Mike. Nice. Just let that roll. Yeah, baby. Nice. Whoa. Shit.
You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
All right.
Look at the way the bike landed. Shit.
All set up for a little maintenance. Nice go, though, Mike.
Shit, I hit.
Tree, the handlebar
I got
hit the tree.
It felt like something my pedal struck somewhere. Damn, that was good.
Yeah.
All right, next time I'll get it.
Almost, man.